about how to insert our header and footer. How to insert our header and footer. So you know that we have done a lot of things in this Microsoft Word. Those of you that are just watching my tutorial, just go through it, check my channel and pick one or two things and watch so that you have the knowledge of what we are doing here. So we are still in Word and we define our Microsoft Word as a word processing application developed by Microsoft. It is used for creating, editing, formatting, and printing documents such as letter, reports, resume, and assignments. So we have done a lot of things. We have done all these alignments, bold, interlinks, how to change the font size, how to change the font size. So today, what we want to do is just to how to insert our header and footer in our page. How to insert header and footer in our page. How do we insert headers and footer in our page and a lot of things that we want to do. So as you can see now, we are in Microsoft WPS Office. It's comprises this Microsoft WPS Office comprises of Word, PowerPoint, and Sheets. That sheet also means Excel. So you want to start afresh. It's bringing doc, it's bringing slide. It means that slide means PowerPoint. It's bringing sheets. It also means Excel. So you want to go to doc. Doc is also means Microsoft Word. Just click on it and click on blank document. That is what nothing was written there. So we are in new page now. That is new blank document. So as you can see now, we want to insert our header and footer. So how do we do that? Can you see my cursor, right? Okay, you come to insert, click on it. It will just bring out drop down here. It has a lot of drop down. And what you want to do is header and footer. Just click on it. It just bring the two together. So when you click on it, it will apply in header side and the footer side. So click. So what we want to write now is our heading. Our heading now. So I just want to make this as an example, the importance of data skills. That importance of data skills will be our heading. So the body of our message now, the body of the document now. So when you click out, you double click out, it just brings out from that header side to the body. So let's write. Like I said in all my videos, in all my tutorials, that the reason why it's underlined red means that either the word is not correct. So we have to check it. We have to check it. Maybe it's correct or it's not correct. Like as you can see now, Microsoft Word, right? If you want to check, maybe the word is correct. Just click. Can you see my cursor, right? Put the cursor on the word, and you have to left click. The left click on it. So it's bring dictionary suggestion, right? So is it Microsoft? Is it my? Do you need to space it? So this is one the first one that you want to choose. So we choose that one. Accept. You know that the other line has already disappeared, right? It means that we did not start the Microsoft Word with capital letter with uppercase. That is why it underlines red. So come to PowerPoint as well. Is it PowerPoint? That's what you want. Accept. Opportunity. So this one, that's how you will do it. How to check it? You just come to the word, put your cursor on the word, and you left click. So it's bring it. So the next thing that I want to do here is just to go back to our heading. We want to do the alignment now. Go back to the heading. Yes. Come to this heading and you want to increase the size and the font style. So you first of all highlight. You know how to highlight. You come to the word that you want to change and you not drag it to the left or anywhere. So it have already highlighted and come to home. So can you see from this is what we call front style. Front style. So it has a drop down. This is front style. And I like to choose Time New Roman. So that is it. And we have to increase the front size now. So the front size will be bolder, more than this. So this is 20 and make it bold. Make it bold. So that is it. That is our header. And the body of our message now. So it's very tiny. Just let us increase it. Let us increase it. You know how to highlight. You first of all highlight. If you don't highlight, it will not apply to it. You first of all highlight it. So we need to click out and highlight the body, the message body, and you increase the size as well. So Time New Roman. Can you see now? Okay. And you will click out. Is that taking now? That is how to increase the font size and how to change the font style. And what do you notice now? You have not done the any alignment, right? So you want to highlight it first and come to center, come to home, and you put your the heading of your document, put it in center. So let's be at the center, right? Okay, that is okay. And you click out as well, and you highlight the body, just justified it. Come to justify. That is our alignment. Is that taking now? And that we are done with the other side and the message body. So let's go to the footer now. Let's check it. This is our footer. Let's go to this is our footer side, right? So whatever you want to write at the footer side, you can write it. Me, I want to write. So whatever you want to write at the footer side, it's okay like that. So I need to write this. Is that taking now? So this is our filter side. We have written what we want to write there. And the next thing is how to insert page number. So how do we insert our page number now? You know, some people maybe we will not see this insert page number there, but you just go to your home as well. So when you click on home, come to insert, come to insert. When you get to insert, it will bring out page number. So that's how we insert our page number. So click on it. It's not the preset style, the style that you want. So we want our page number to be at the footer side. So let it be at the middle. So we click on it. And can you see now? Can you see number one? It's not depending on the page of document that you want to type. So it's just keep on numbering the page for you. This one is number one. So the next one will be number two. Do you understand now? That is how to insert our page number and footers and all and the rest. So the next thing that we want to do now, we want to go to another page. We want to insert our word art. How to insert our word art, pictures and shapes. How do we insert word art? So just let us write. So we want to make this degree and skill center as word art. How do you do that? So we just come to this place. You first of all highlight it. When you highlight and you come to home, when you come to home, can you see it now? It brings out in some pieces it will just bring out word art, but this one brings text effect. Text effect is also means there is word art there. So you just click on it. Can you see word art? So we now choose the preset word art that you want. So let's go for this. And we want to increase the size as well. We want to increase the size and we can change the font color as well. We can change the font color. We can change the font color. Okay, that is our word art. That is how to insert word art. Is that taking? So, and the next thing that I want to do here is how to insert our pictures, how to insert shapes and picture, how to insert shapes and picture. So you come to insert, you want to insert picture. So you can see pictures there, click on it from this device, yes. So you can choose any picture that you want. You can choose any pictures that you want. So we choose, I chose that one. And do you notice one thing is that when I wanted to carry it, is not movable, right? So we have to do something about it. When I wanted to carry it, is not movable. You just click on this layout that is here. Click on it. It just bring out another thing. Okay, another layout options. Is it text with inside? Yes, I click on it. That's what I want. And it's also bring move with text. Okay, that's okay. If it is fixed position on the page, you will not be able to carry it. It will just fixed in a particular place. But I want to move it all around. So I chose this and I click out. So let's see, maybe I can be able to carry it. Can you see now? I can be able to carry it to anywhere that I like. So I can reduce it as well. I can increase it. If you want to reduce it, can you see my cursor, right? So you can reduce it and you can increase it. So let's put it in. Is that taking now? So it's very simple. When you get home, just practice what you are watching in my YouTube channel. Another one is how to insert shapes. So the way we insert our pictures, that's how we insert our shapes. Is that taking? So we come to insert. We come to what? Insert. Under insert is it has also has a drop down. So you click on shapes. It not depends on the shape that you want to insert. We have a lot of shapes here. So you just click on it and can you notice something that might also change to plus sign, right? So you come to anywhere that you want to put your shapes. This is how this is where I want it. I will now drag, I will drag it, I will press my left click down. I will drag it. I will not release it until it gets to the size that I want. So I will not drop it like this. Do you understand now? So that's how I want. If I want to change it, carry it to another place, I can carry it. And this one as well, I can reduce it. I can increase it. So I can change the color. The color is blue, right? So I want to change the color. You come to draw, choose. Can you see the color? So it has a drop down. Any color that you want, you can choose the color. You can choose the color. That is how it is. That is how it is. That's how to change. That's how to insert table. That is how to insert shapes, and that is all about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel. In case that you have any question that you are confused, just drop your question in my comment section. So I will go through it and answer your question. And please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you later.